Hey students, welcome to the video lecture of one-time story examples. So void main, I'm declaring an integer, array name n, and the size is 10, and n is an array of 10 integers, declaring two variable integer I and j. So initializing an array element, array of n to 0. Okay, I want to initialize some array element, okay, from all the array elements. So I'm writing a loop variable for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So n of I equal to I plus 100. For example, if n of 0 equal to 0 plus 100, 100. N of 1 equal to 1 plus 100, 101. Likewise, it will store from 0 to 9. It will store to array capacity is 10. It will store 100 to 109. So output to each element's value is given in this loop. For j equal to 0, j less than 10, j plus plus. Okay, writing a loop here. Element and percentage d, it will take the value of j. Element of 0 equal to percentage d. N of j means, then it means n of 0, that is 100. Then element of 1 equal to 101. Likewise, element of 9 equal to 109 will get printed. So this is very simple example. We are initializing a value for an array and we are printing the same. Output of this program, see the output as we discussed. The element of 0 is 100, element of 1 equal to 101, so and so element of 9 equal to 109. So we are going to discuss the second program, that is a sum of the array elements of a one-dimensional array. So first I am declaring an array a of 5, the capacity is 5, it will store the value from IRR 0 to 4. I have declared a variable integer I, and s is another variable. I initialize it to 0, and I print the using printf statement. I ask the user to enter the 5 elements. My loop is I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Print of enter a percentage d of I. That means enter, if you show the output there, enter a of 0. And use the enter value, I have performed the scan of percentage d. Percentage d is the format specifier for integer, and as array of I. That means when I is 0, it will store the value a of 0. That will display the user enter a of 1. Use the enter value, it will store in a of 1. Likewise, it will store the value up to a of 4. A of 0 to a of 4, 5 value will get stored. Now we have to sum the array elements. So I'm writing a loop again for I equal to 0. Using loop value of 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Yeah, I'm already initialize the sum variable s equal to 0. S equal to, first equal to means s equal to s plus arr of I, array of this array of I. So it first we add IR of 0, first value will get added to the s. I is become 1, second value will get added, and I is become 2, third value will get added, then I is become 3, the third value will get added, I is become 4, fourth value will get added. So the loop will come out. Okay, when I is 5, no, 5 less than 5 is false, then the loop will come out. I'll print the result, sum of the elements equal to percentage d, comma yes, the value will get printed. Execute the program. So execute the program. So enter 5 elements. I'm giving 1, f0, f1 equal to 2, f2 equal to 3, f3 equal to 4, f4 equal to 5. So total we are giving 5 elements. Addition is 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 14, and plus 1, 15. So sum of elements equal to 15. So this is the output. The program is working correctly. Next example, sort the array elements of the one-dimensional array in a particular in a given order. For this, I am declaring a variable integer a of 50. Array can store 50 elements from the array at 0 to 49. N, I, j, and temp equal to 0 are the variables. I ask the user to enter the how many numbers you want to enter. By using scan of percentage d ampersand, I am storing the number of elements of the array in the variable n. I ask the user to enter the percentage d. Okay, n element. That means if they give a 5 means it will display the percentage d format. It will let the string enter the percentage d element, percentage take the value which is entered by the user. 5, if you entered 5 means you will ask the user to enter the 5 elements. So loop will go I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, then scan of percentage d, comma a of I. So each value, the array will store, okay, a of 0, then it will get a of 1. Likewise, it will store a of value up to a of n minus 1. N is the size of the array which is entered by the user. Now we have to sort the array. Sort the array, I am using a two loop for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and giving just I'm printing the array before sorting the given arrays. I'm printing the array slash n slash t, giving two tab spaces and percentage a of I. That means the entire array will get printed. Okay, right from I equal to 0, a of 1 will, a of 0 will get printed. I is become 1. The element in a of 1 will get printed in the same line by using two tab spaces, and actually it will go up to n minus 1. All the elements will get printed. Now this is the main logic portion, starting portion. So here I'm writing a two loop. Okay, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, j equal to I plus 1. So inner loop j will start from there. Nested loop I'm using I plus 1, and j less than n, j will go. What I'm doing, I'm comparing a of I greater than a of j. So 0 and 1, array of I will get remain 0. J loop starts from 1. The element in the 0th position will checked with the first position of the same array, because j value will also, we are looping it, we are using it in the same array only. So 0th element will be compared with the first element, and second and third n minus 1 element. Okay, if any element which is 0th element is greater than any element, it will be swapped by using temp equal to a of I. That means it will, a of I will be stored in the temporary variable. Then a j value will be stored in the I index position, and j will be stored in the temp. It will be swapped. Okay, then a of I, and instead I equals 0, then we compare with all the elements j equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go, no, actually it will go and compare the value. This value is any element in 0th position in the I 0th position is greater than the 1 to n minus 1, it will be swapped. Okay, likewise when the iteration goes, okay, the what will happen? Okay, the smallest element will get stored in the first portion of this array. Okay, likewise actually then I is become 1, it will compare with all the element. Okay, then actually next smallest element will go stored in the a of 1. Likewise, okay, all the elements are arranged into up to 0 to n minus 1. So after sorting, this is the this portion is this logic of the sorting. Okay, after this, if a of I greater than a of j only, the swap will happen. So I'm storing a value in a of in a temporary variable j. The value in the jth position will be stored in I, and the variable temporary, that means the old value of a of I stored in the j, it will get swapped. After sorting, I'm displaying sorted array using bubble sort. The sorting of this is known as bubble sort. I'm printing I equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus. Printf, I'm giving two tab spaces for each element and printing the value a of I. You will execute the program and check the result. So how many elements I want to solve? 5 elements. My elements are entering 4, 1, 5, 3, and 2. This is my entered elements. So it shows that the given array is 4, 1, 5, 3, 2, 5 elements, and sorted array is on the sorted array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my program sort the array. So this is an example of the one-dimensional array. That's it for this video lecture, and thanks for watching this video.